Already we have seen question number A, B and C. Now we will write question number D. What did the dog do? What did the dog do when the ox went near the manger? Near the manger. So if you remember, what did the dog do? The dog started barking, snarling and snapped at ox. So I'll write the answer. When the ox went near the manger, the dog barked, snarled. The dog barked, snarled, 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 snapped at it. Snapped, snapped at the ox. At the ox. He would not allow the ox to eat. He would not allow the ox allowed the ox to eat his hay. To eat his hay. Whose hay? The ox's hay. Because the manger is the place where we are keeping the grass of the cattle. Now the E question is there. I hope you are writing with me. Write a message of each of these. Write the message of each of these two stories. Already we have seen two stories are given us for learning. First one is Stag in the Pool and second one is The Dog in the Manger. Okay. So what are the moral of these two stories? So can you tell me what are the morals? If you have learned or read these stories, you will get to know what are the moral of the story. So the first we will see about the stag, that what are the message? First story's message. First, we will write here one. First story message. Otherwise, we will write the first only. First dash. The first story's message is very often we dislike. Write likewise what I am writing on the board. Very often we dislike the very things that are most useful to us. The very means various things that are most useful to us. Okay, and we will leave one line after that. And second story message, second story's message is you must not begrudge. Why capital? You must not begrudge what is mean by begrudge? Begrudge mean be unwilling to give or be unhappy to that someone is getting something. Others, begrudge others what you don't enjoy yourself. You don't enjoy yourself. Okay, so here we have completed the all question answers of lesson number 2. I'll repeat the 2 questions again. Those who are writing, they will just complete their answers. Okay. The question is, what did the dog do when the ox went near the manger? When the ox went near the manger, the dog barked, snarled, snapped at the ox. He would not allow the ox to eat his head. Okay, E question is there, that is, write the message of each of these 2 stories. So I have written it very easy way just to understand the first story's message. That is, very often we dislike the very things that are most useful to us. It is given by the first story, the stag in the pool, and the second story, that is the dog in the manger. In that second story's message is, you must not begrudge others what you don't enjoy yourself. Means the things which we cannot get and some other person is really like that things. If that person is getting that thing, we should be also happy in that. We should not be begrudge. Okay. So these are the next 2 answers. And here we have completed the question answers. So now if you observe the question number 5 in the question number 3 on page number 5, find the smaller words hidden in the following words. That you try to do it, try to do it yourself. We will meet again in the next lecture to complete question number 3 and 4 of lesson number 2. Till then, you just find out the answer of question number 3 and question number 4 given on page number 5. Okay.